Measurement of gastrointestinal function is extremely difficult, and particularly so when people are undertaking exercise. The two main variables that we would want to measure are the rates of gastric emptying and the rate of intestinal absorption of any ingested solution. In order to measure gastric emptying rate, you need to insert a tube to the base of the stomach and look at changes in concentration of dyes. To measure intestinal absorption directly, that tube has to go further through the GI system into the duodenum, and again you look at changes in dye concentration. That's very invasive, and as a result, studies in that area tend to have very few subjects in them. And that makes interpretation of that data very difficult. So we can measure things indirectly. In the case of gastric emptying, we could use 13C breath tests, or in the case of intestinal absorption, we can use sugar probes. And as a result of that, again, because you're not measuring something directly, that leads to problems in interpreting the literature as a whole.